Make laundry days effortless with this eco-friendly washing machine from Haier, which is packed with innovative features to take care of your clothes. It has a 1400 RPM spin speed, an impressive A++ energy rating, and a medium-sized 8-kilogram drum. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, because your clothes have more room to tumble for a better clean. This model has fuzzy logic technology, which uses clever sensors to weigh your laundry when you load the drum. This means it can adjust the amount of water, time, and energy needed for the best possible results. So, you'll save money on your energy bills without having to lift a finger. The smart drive motor is quieter, more energy efficient, and longer lasting than normal motors. Because it uses frictionless magnets instead of noisy brushes to power the motor, it's great for open plan living, as you can use it any time of the day, even when it's movie night. If you're looking for a washing machine which is packed with innovative features to take care of your clothes, this eco-friendly model from Haier is the perfect choice.